students. Today I am going to discuss second case of bills of exchange. Previously we have discussed our first case when X writes a bill on Y, when seller writes a bill on Y and he retained the bill till due date. So second case is when before due date bill is discounted from bank. For example, X needs money urgently and he can't wait till due date, then in that case, he can discount the bill from bank. So what will be the journal entry? In the books of drawer, yani X, that means in the books of seller, if we discount the bill from bank. So journal entry will be bank account debit, discount charges account debit to bills receivable account. Because bank cuts some amount, that is called discount charges. So that is expense for the seller, that is loss for the seller, that's why it is debited. So Y does not know anything about it, he will pay the payment on due date. So at the time of discounted the bill from bank, no entry should be made in the books of Y or in the books of purchaser. And when due date comes, then X don't have the bill because he just give the bill to bank. So no entry in the books of X. And Y just gives the payment on due date. Bills payable account debit to bank account. And who receives the payment? Bank will receive the payment. And no need to do the entries in the books of bank. Ultimately, bank will submit that amount. So bank's entry will not be asked. Only the entries in the books of seller and purchaser will be asked in question. So again I am repeating, if before the due date, on which date X needs money urgently, so he can discount the bill from bank. So entry will be bank account debit, discount charges account debit to bills receivable account. For example, the bill is of 10,000. Bill is of 10,000. And he discount and the rate of discount is 10%. That means 1,000. And he discounts the bill 2 months earlier. 2 months earlier. So 2 by 12. Okay. So how you, or for example 3 months earlier. So that I just want calculation should not be in points. So 10,000, 10% of 10,000 will be 1,000. And 3 months earlier. So 250 will be discount charges. 250 will be discount charges cut by bank. So 10,000 minus 250, 9750 he will receive from bank. Who will receive? X will receive from bank. For example, the duration of the bill is 4 months and after 1 month he receives the payment from bank. So 3 months are left. So discount will be cut for 3 months. And no entry in the books of Y. On due date, no entry in the books of X. And in the books of Y, BP to bank. He don't know anything about discounted it from bank or not. I hope it's clear. Next we have case number 3. Endorsement. What is the meaning of endorsement? Endorsement means transfer of a bill to third party. For example, if X transfer the bill to any such other person, then what will be the entry? For example, there are 3 persons. X is the seller who sold the goods to Y. So Y is the purchaser and Z is endorsee. And X endorsed the bill in favor of Z because X have to give the payment to Z. So if X endorsed the bill to Z, then what will be the journal entry? In the books of X, Z will be debit. And what is gone from X? Bills is gone from X. So to BR account. Z debit to BR account because BR is gone. No entry in the books of Y because Y don't know anything about transfer. And in the books of Z, he receives the bill. That's why BR account debit. From whom he received? X is the giver. So X should be credited. As you know, according to the rule of personal account, debit the receiver and credit the giver. So who is the giver for Z? X. So that's why. And who is the receiver for X? Z is the receiver. That's why he is debited. So Z debit to BR because BR is gone. according to real account, and here BR is received, so it is debited because debit word comes in. Next we have, if Y pays the bill on due date. Now the bill is in hand of Z, so no entry in the books of X. Y just gives the payment, so entry will be BP to bank. Entry will be BP to bank if Y gives the payment. And in the books of Z, he receives the payment, so bank account debit. What is the reason to receive the payment? BR is the reason, so BR will reduce. So bank account debit to BR account, amount of bill received on due date. I hope it's clear. Thank you.